Okay, now we're going to delete these print lines and build an actual graphical interface via WebView. This is going to be pretty fun. I enjoyed writing the code for this, so we're just going to include an HTML file that we'll eventually write, and then let's write it. Simple HTML with first write hello world, so we test it in the body. Hello world, not work, of course. I advise you get the HTML preview plugin for Visual Code. It's really easy to use. You can find it here. It's pretty good. You just write HTML in the Visual Code and then you see it in the preview. Okay, now getting back to the project. Okay, in the main rs file, let's continue writing the up. The show up function will take the literary database as a parameter file name and the HTML content, of course, and show the clock. This will return a result. Now, WebView will access the builder. This will have a title. Let's say it's Gutenberg Clock. You'd be amazed at how easy it is to use this WebView in your app. Content will be the HTML content we are supplying from the file. Okay. Size, let's do a small size, 800 by 600. Resizable. We don't want it to be resizable. We want it to have debug if we mess something up so we can see. User data nothing. And run it. We're going to do an unwrap here so we don't handle the WebView errors. We should override the error to handle this, but let's just test this. Forgot to add use WebView, I think. Yep. And see the clock HTML is not located in this R3. Okay, drag it there and let's run it. Oh, something is not right. Oh, forgot to add a semicolon next to the unwrap. Okay. Cargo run. Builder argument. Let's also add the invoke function. This will send data from our app to the WebView, but not do anything right now. Or let's do it. Do the match for the argument. but do an unimplemented block. Oh, okay, write this better, and this shouldn't be here though. This should be before the run. That's the problem. Okay, so before the run. Yeah. Sorry, Rust Analyzer, I crashed you. Now, let's see how the app runs. But of course, if I want to do that, I will need to transition to the other screen.